We are doing good today. I bought you this Kawasaki beautiful beauty. I bought you Z900 bike, and features are LED lights. You get a standard pair of good matrix to LED lights, dipper, a front end air disc brake, a ABS means anti-locking braking system, and this bike is a beauty. And this is their buttons are there. Black color is there, petrol diesel lid is there, this lid is there, this lid is there for petrol diesel, mirrors are there, sturdy tires are there. This one is there. This is the first one. Kawasaki branding is there. Such branding is there. They're awesome. Sturdy. Some features. Bike. Yeah, bike is good folks, as you can see. Sturdy bike it is. Sturdy tires are there. So, this is the front look of the bike folks. With dipper, LED light, and dipper, LED light, and front end air disc brake is with, yeah.